All right, good morning. It is Monday, April the 28th, 2025. We hope everyone had a really nice weekend at the Kroll house. We hosted a 4-year-old birthday party for my son. So what do you do for a 4-year-old birthday party? Well, my wife, wonderful idea, just thought, hey, we're going to contain the mess and the disaster. We had a Lego a building party, right? So you get all the Legos out, contain the mess, you kind of enclose them all in an area, let them kind of build away, and you have some food, some cake, and call it a day. So great party. The boys were happy. No urgent care visits. The wrestling was, everything was okay. So that was really, really nice. Beautiful weekend. So we hope you had a nice week as well. All right. So last week in markets, I'm going to be really short today. I know many of you are busy people, and I want to be respectful of your time, particularly when just not a lot happened last week. All right. So a strong week for markets. Just some of the headlines coming out. It sounds like some nice progress being made. Negotiations with both India and South Korea. The administration, it sounds like, also kind of backing off on some of the more aggressive criticism of the Federal Reserve, which we touched on a little bit last week. All right, so we had the VIX, so the volatility index this morning down to 26. I know we talked about that a few weeks ago, what that volatility index represents. So that's down to 26. Bond yields are stable. The S&P 500 here in the U.S. increased 4% last week. So now for the year, S&P 500 down about 7%, whereas kind of that international developed markets can continue to outperform. So now year to date, international developed up 10%, right? So again, just kind of goes to show the importance of that global diversification. For the week ahead, the jobs number will be quite interesting on Friday. So we received the jobs number, and then we also get the PCE, the Fed's preferred metric for inflation. So we'll see what both those numbers bring. And we hope everyone has a great week. Questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to our team, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.